This RE/MAX Crown Realty property video is presented by Sherri Sproch. Tranquility exudes from your tropical backyard paradise. Screened, gas HDD pool SPA West EXT. Patio for entertaining impeccably maintained, Lieutenant and Bright former model, 4/3 House West DEN, INCL upgrades galore. Roof 2013, newer upscale stainless kit appliances, 42 inches cabinets, crown molding, CN. That, and more. Gated community. Wonderful location, Lohoa. A must-see. Fabulous home. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherri Sproch at 772-999-5470.